Hey guys, David Carroll here in NorCal Garage, and I'm gonna try doing more NorCal Garage videos. I have been kind of scheming and figuring out how I might be able to do that. So be prepared. More are coming. I think I've figured out a way to make it easy for myself to do this with family life, work, building, doing everything, and racing and all that stuff. The video that you're about to see, or the videos, no, one video, I'm going to move together and make it like a really short video for NorCal Garage and kind of start showing these and doing these more because I think I can edit it really easy and quick, and hopefully you guys like them. So just a glimpse into what I'm going to be showing. This is a video that I've shown a little while back, but it was myself and Brian Peters, who is a really, really good driver. He is driving my Datsun at Good Guys Scottsdale Duel in the Desert Finals. Him and I got into the same bracket yet again, and so here is a little glimpse of what went down. Of course, he won, which is good, and he went into the final rounds against Scott Frazier in the Cobra. So enjoy. Hang on, and there is more to come.
Okay, we will run, when we get down to it, we will run off for third and fourth place before we run off for first and the championship. David Carroll, this is the start of round 3. David Carroll and his Vega. David Carroll owns the next car. He's got Brian Peters in it. Both of these cars are quick. David Carroll qualified 6th. Peters was 3rd quick. Peters in the Datsun sitting on the start line. He is one of the handful of cars that's ran a 37. David Carroll coming through the light. 38,271. After Lee Singer is Eric Sheely in the yellow vet and Roger Berman in the white vet. Right. After Berman is Robbie Unser and Scott Frazier. Oh, he's just calling himself out. Bruce that owns the Cobra just said there's a 36.5 out there. Oh, wow. I say no. Prove it. I want to see that. 37.5, 38, 37. Bingo.
Here we go. I'm shaking. I'm so excited. For Brian Peters. Woo! Wow. This is going to be close competition. Scott going in hot, down deep.
Technology Autocrosser of the Year.
Good job, Scott. 37-0. So there you have it. that was our weekend at Good Guys Duel in the Desert. We took second, and I believe I placed sixth in the Vega, which is not bad compared to like 15th or 16th last year. We're going to keep working on the Datsun and the Vega to improve them, and maybe something new will be showing up next year at Duel in the Desert. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and like these videos, share them, subscribe, all the above, and stay tuned for more projects to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.